Hi, my name's Henry Banks and I work for the Customer Experience Group. In this tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to create an infographics. So I'm opening an existing document and I'm moving to the Compose room. Now I already have a document prepared, but I'm going to create a new one. So first of all, I've switched to page 2 and you'll see there's a predefined template here. Now I'm going to import some pictures from my gallery. Here you see them added on the left-hand side. I'm dragging my first picture into the primary position. I've chosen the cover mode to expand it to fit. I'm also going to edit my name in that space too. Now I've chosen a donut chart and I've drag and dropped that into the right space. Now I'm going to change from the properties. I'm not interested in the title, so I'm going to disable that. Now I'm particularly interested in that area of focus. The bachelor degrees seem to have a very high attendance rate. Consequently, I'm editing the title now to reflect that. So as you can see, there is a majority of bachelor degrees. I've changed that to a nice deep blue colour. I also want to highlight the slice, showing a percentage. Now for the other areas, I'm not so interested. Next, I'm going to use one of the number point charts on the right-hand side. As you can see, part of the display is obscured, so I'm going to reduce the pixel size. And now the entire text is visible. Also, the title, I want to position that somewhere near the bottom. I'm also going to reduce the point size too. That looks better already. Now, I want to enhance this with an image, and there's a picture of a tabard here that I'm going to use. I've resized the picture of the hat, and I've also resized the real estate with the visualization on the left, the donut chart, because I want that to take precedence in this image. On the next section, I'm going to use one of the bar charts, course growth by degree type. I'm expanding it to take up the real estate of the space. I'm also going to disable the legend, the title, the axes labels, I'm going to rename this section Associate and Doctor Degrees Getting the Highest Growth. But that's not quite enough. I want to really focus the eye on the associate and doctor degrees. So I'm changing those to a point type rather than just a standard bar chart. I'm also going to highlight them in green. Now they really jump out of the picture. Moreover, I can actually change the axis label to use an image instead. In this case, I want to use the ribbon to define an award of some type, and I've disabled the label itself. I can also change the colour of the icon that I've inserted. Now I've dragged on an image of some people to represent students. I'm going to now turn off the background colour of the plot area, and I'm going to change the colour of the people into a grayscale. More than that, I can change the opacity of these people in that image to something that I'm happy with. I can also send that to the back or bring them to the front as required if I'm playing amongst the layers, and you can also resize the image within the preview. Now I'm switching over to mobile preview mode, just to give you an idea how that might look on a mobile device. It looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. And that's it. You've created your first infographic. Well done for following the tutorial, and I hope you enjoy the feature. Goodbye.